Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill F5 a 64GB, 2x32GB kit of DDR5 memory clocked at a blistering 6000 MHz. For those looking to seriously boost their system's performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks, this kit promises to be a game changer. G.Skill is a well-respected name in the memory market, known for producing high-quality, high-performance RAM. This particular kit is no exception. The 6000 MHz speed is right in the sweet spot for current generation CPUs, offering a significant uplift in performance compared to slower DDR5 kits. The timings are specified at 30-40-40-96, which are reasonably tight for a kit of this speed and capacity. The kit features a sleek design that should look great in any build. The heat spreaders are lightweight yet effective at dissipating heat, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. The DMM form factor is standard, so it should be compatible with most motherboards that support DDR5 memory. But what about real-world performance? In testing, this G.Skill kit shines. Applications launch noticeably faster, multitasking is smoother than ever, and even demanding games see a boost in frame rates. The extra capacity is especially beneficial for content creators working with large files, such as video editing or 3D rendering. The 64GB capacity allows for comfortable handling of large projects without constantly running into memory limitations. Of course, achieving the advertised 6000 MHz speed requires enabling XMP, Extreme Memory Profile, in your motherboard's BIOS. It's important to ensure that your motherboard and CPU are compatible with this speed before purchasing. While most modern motherboards should handle it without issue, it's always best to check the manufacturer's specifications. One thing to consider is the price. High-performance DDR5 memory can be expensive, and this 64GB kit is no exception. However, if you need the speed and capacity, the investment is well worth it. This kit is targeted towards enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals who demand the best possible performance from their systems. Overall, the G.Skill F5 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade to high-performance DDR5 memory. The combination of speed, capacity, and reliability makes it a top contender in its class. If you're building a new system or upgrading an existing one, this kit is definitely worth considering. It offers a tangible performance boost that you'll notice in everyday use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.